Hello, I'm Laura from Foxtecc. If you're looking to organize your iPad better by naming folders in various apps, you're in the right place. Today, I'll show you how to name a folder or album on your iPad, whether you're working in the Photos app, the Files app, or other file manager apps. Let's start with the Photos app. If you want to create and name a new album, it's a straightforward process. First, open the Photos app and head over to the Albums tab at the bottom of the screen. Once you're in the Albums tab, you'll notice a plus icon in the top left corner. Tap on this icon to create a new album. A prompt will appear asking you to enter the name for your new album. Simply type in the desired name and then tap Save. Your new album is now created and named, making it easier to organize and find your photos. Now, let's move on to the Files app, where you can create and name folders to keep your documents organized. Open the Files app and navigate to the location where you want to create a new folder. This could be an iCloud drive, on my iPad, or any other connected storage. Once you're in the right location, tap on the More icon, which looks like 3 dots located at the top of the screen. From the drop-down menu, select New Folder. You'll then be prompted to enter a name for the folder. After typing in the name, tap Done, and your folder will be created with the name you've chosen. This is a great way to keep your files neatly organized. If you're using other file manager apps like Documents by Rettle or File Explorer, the process is quite similar. You'll typically follow the same steps. Create a new folder and then name it when prompted. These apps are designed to be intuitive, so you should have no trouble naming your folders in a way that helps you stay organized. And that's it. Now you know how to name folders and albums on your iPad across different apps. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and giving this video a thumbs up. Thanks for watching, and see you later.